Hello guys, and welcome back to our Vexel art tutorial. I think this is part 6, which is yung previous videos natin is the left eye and the right eye. So natapos na natin yun, and this time naman is that yung additional some details din, which is I think gagawin na natin yung lips. Yan, lips, but it is better na unahin muna natin gawin itong pakwan. Tama, pakwan, yan, which is maybe below the lips or above the lips. I think above the lips. Yan. So let's start by tracing it from here. Yan. Madali na lang tong mga loads. Siyempre lagyan naman natin ng kaunting shape. Yan. To make it more realistic and better. Yeah. So okay. Especially this part hindi na natin matukoy dito kung anong dito yung lips or yung pakwan. Guro ganun na lang. Oops, sorry. And let's close this and change the name to, or maybe the color muna, something, yeah, maybe yan na lang, red. Okay, then press enter. Let's add a folder, name is as frutas. Okay, then name this as base. So what will happen is that pupulutin natin yung kulay nito, which is like that. Yan. And then let's add hindi pa natin tatapusin itong mga loads, ano. So, gagawin natin is to add some details. Okay, so something like that. Yan, kunin natin. Puro ganon. Doesn't need na sobrang detalyado tayo. Ganon lang mga loads. Trace natin ganon. Labas na natin. Click it naman natin yan. Yan. Then make sure to get the color of the pakwan. Okay, so siguro something like that na lang muna. Let's add the seeds, mga buto. Okay. Yan. Diba mga lods, mabilis lang. We can finish a Vexel art within just siguro 3 hours. Realistic na rin yun. Pero still, it depends on your pacing din naman and availability ng oras. So, minsan, di naman kailangan minamadali unless may client kayo. Kung hobby lang naman, practice, you can spend 1 hour a day para mag-practice, para ma-enhance yung skills ninyo, new techniques, new techniques nga na pwede nyo matutunan. Then let's base the colors sa maybe this one. Okay. Yan. Siguro let's left it like that na lang muna. And then we're going to work with the lips. So save natin. Nag-go. Mahirapan tayo sa lips, mga lods. So yung lips natin, which is this one. Are we sure na yan na yun? Siguro, new layer. Kunin natin tong part na to. Yan. And then, tong part na to, which is yan. Ganon. Close natin doon. Okay. Now, we are going to change the color of the base sa color nitong. Siguro papalitan natin siya na medyo orange kasi. something like that. Okay, press okay, and then add clip mask. Ang gagawin natin is base natin dito yung color and make it no, darker, something like that. So let's see. No. Let's change the color. Kasi kon naman siya eh. Change the color of this one to something. No. Siguro ganyan na lang. Then change this base color, base natin dito, but let's make it lighter like that. Okay, and then this I think we're good with the lips. Usin na lang natin this part siguro. Base. Okay, yung kan natin. Labas natin ganon para lumampas siya doon. Then let's add a darker color, which is this one. Yan. Okay. Siguro darker eh. Yan. Then let's add a lighter color. Okay. Siguro ganyan. Okay. I think we're good with that. At let's see kung may mga changes pa tayo. Ayusin na lang natin yung nasa ibabaw gamit yung shading colors natin, and then after nun we're going to add shadows. So that's it for this video tutorial mga lods. Kung may mga dapat naman ayusin dito is that mag-add live tayo ng masking to make it or to blend the colors, something like that mga lods. Sige, ayusin na natin dito. And just to make the colors blend together. And then yan, yung highlights ganun na lang natin. So ayun lang mga lods for this video tutorial, and I hope na may natutunan kayo, and kung may natutunan man kayo, please do not forget to like this video, and see you on the next video tutorial, which is I think mag-add na tayo ng shadows, or maybe we're going to fix muna itong pakwan. So that's it for this tutorial mga lods. See you on the next video, and thank you for watching.